Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Today I am going to show you the easiest and fastest way to achieve a cinematic look for your videos using Filmora. Whether you are a beginner just starting or someone who has always found cinematic looks, I have got you covered. Forget about needing a big budget. I will share some tips and tricks on how to achieve that cinematic color grade with Filmora. Color grading can be time consuming and expensive with professional video editors. But today in this video I will show you all how you can easily color grade your videos like professional. Wondershare Filmora comes with 800 plus top quality 3D LUTs which gives our videos a cinematic touch and make them look professional. Not only we can use building LUTs but can also import and use 3D LUTs color projects. Download and install Wondershare Filmora in your PC. Here I have two videos which I want to color grading these videos, and it will look so professional after using color grading and color correction. Add these videos on your timelines by clicking on plus icon. Let me play the video. You can see the video before color grading, how it's look like, and after color grading you will see the results. Here I have a filter option. There are many filters available. You can check it all one by one. We have many filters here like darken, completion, contrast and sharpen. Here I have a filter beautiful memories. Download this effect and click on plus icon and it will add on your timeline. You can apply this filter on all of your video or you can apply on a part of your video. Here you can see with filter and without filter look. There are many filters available. If I click on featured, there are many new filters available, like bleach bypass, teal orange. If I click on teal orange, you can see it can highlight orange color from your videos. If I scroll down, there are many cinematic look filters. If I add this cinematic filter on my video, you can see it looks very cinematic and more professional. You can apply this filter on all of your video or you can apply this on a part of your video. If I click on this filter, you can adjust the opacity of the filter. You can increase or decrease this opacity. Select the opacity you want and click on OK. And let me apply the teal orange filter on the second video and you can see the result. It looks much professional. If I click on cinematic icon, there are many cinematic filters available. You can check it all and you can use these filters into your videos. You can add summer movie filter on your videos. Your video will look more cinematic. There are many other filters available. And if I click on portrait, we have many portrait filters. Here is another filter, sunny days. Let me apply this filter on my video and you can see the result. You can apply this filter on all of your video. You can see with filter and without filter. And the next I have chart reuse filter. Now let me show you how you can use LUTs and color gradings into your videos. Double click on your video and click on color icon. Turn on LUT button. There are many LUTs available like Walking Dead, Vlog 709, S-Log, N-Log, G-Log, D-Log. You can see the videos looking more professional and more attractive and much cinematic and professional. After selecting the LUT preset, you can adjust the strength of this preset. You can increase or decrease it and you can adjust it as per you want. And here we have protect skin tones. You can also adjust it. And the next we have auto white balance and temperature icon. You can adjust the temperature here. You can adjust the tint. You can adjust the vibrance. You can adjust the vibrance of your video. You can also adjust the saturation. And in light section you can adjust the exposure and you can adjust the brightness You can adjust the contrast, you can adjust the highlighting, and we have a shadow option. You can adjust the shadow, white and black, and you can also adjust the sharpen. After all settings, click on OK icon, and if I click on my first video and let me add some LUTs here, you can see this video is looking much professional and much cinematic. You can adjust the strength, you can adjust the color, white balance, temperature, tint, vibrance, saturation, exposure, brightness, contrast. So all of these effects is giving different vibe to our videos. There are so many effects to explore, and trust me, each of them gives different effects to your videos. No matter who you are, vlogger, filmmaker, video editor, or even if you are a beginner, you can use Wondershare Filmora alerts for color grading and enhance your videos, giving them professional and cinematic touch. Not only this, with new Filmora AI editing tools like AI Copilot Editing, AI Thumbnail Creator, AI Text to Video, AI Smart Cutout, AI Masking, and many more offer unlimited opportunities to get started with content creation. So what are you waiting for? Simply find the link in the description. Try Wondershare Filmora 13 now. I hope you like this video and comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post a new video.